Namaste children, welcome back to English class. Children, let us today take up Unit 5. So you just observe these pictures children and just speak a few words about these pictures. Do you have a pet in your home children? I have a puppy in my home. Do you have anything? Just you can answer later. Okay. So now you listen carefully about this uh, a story. Story means which was happened. Okay, children, can you believe a cat can respond emotionally to human sorrow? Can you believe it? Definitely, because you can see this story which appeared in the English magazine called Tomorrow. Tomorrow was an English magazine. This story had appeared in the English magazine. Let me read out, listen carefully. Bill, the cat, was at home while his master was away on a trip. The man was seriously injured in a railway accident during this trip. He died a few days later in a hospital. At the burial, the man's brother was shocked to see Bill at the burial site. The faithful cat had travelled to the faraway hospital gravesite, looked at the coffin with tears in its eyes, and then had returned home. Is it not an example of animal love towards humans? Children, see, animals also have emotions. You might have seen if you have any pet at home, dog or cat or puppy or kitten. If you play happily, they also play happily. If you feel sad, they'll also sit sadly. Like that, there was one story had come. You can see here a Bill, it is a cat, when his master was away on a trip, but that man was seriously injured in a railway accident and he died few days later in the hospital. But at the burial, that is they are all from the English people. They will put it in the coffin and they bury. In the burial ground, the man's brother was surprised or shocked to see Bill at the burial site. See, all the way it had traveled from that place to the hospital gravesite, and the Bill looked at the coffin with tears in its eyes and then had returned home. See, children, how easily nobody told Bill that his master has died, but it got that emotion and it had gone to see him. Okay, let us see this lesson, children. Adopt a pet. Can you see here? What are these animals, children? Have you seen penguins? No, isn't it? Because you might have not seen, you might have seen in the TV and all that these penguins. Okay, so let us just read out this lesson, children. Adopt a pet. Mona likes the local zoo very much. She enjoys visiting it. It has different kinds of animals in it. The animals do not live in cages but in the places they are used to. The zoo makes these places for them. For example, an ice machine makes the penguins swimming pool very cold, making it suitable for them, because in the snow areas only penguins live, children, so they need that particular atmosphere. So what they do, the zoo people, they will make, with the help of an ice machine, they make the penguins swimming pool very cold, and which making it suitable for the penguins to live. So here let me tell you, Mona is a girl who likes the local zoo very much. Have you visited the zoo, children? No? If you have visited, well and good. If you are not visited, go and visit, children. Even Bannerghatta, you have got national park there. Zoo is there in Mysuru. Okay. Here Mona enjoys visiting the zoo. The zoo has different kinds of animals in it. The animals, they do not live in the cages in the zoo, but they will be freely left in a place where it is used for them. So I told you, isn't it? Like penguins, for them one swimming pool which they make it very cold, which should be suitable for them. And here Mona enjoys watching the chimpanzees. Have you seen chimpanzees, children? Have you seen? Yeah, if you go to zoo you can see. So she enjoys watching chimpanzees. They live in a cage with the trees, caves, rocks and a small lake. There are about 15 chimps, including 4 babies. Their babies are carried everywhere by their mothers. They feel secure because they have a similar atmosphere as in the forest. So Mona, she enjoys watching chimpanzees. Chimpanzees, they live in a cage with the trees, caves, rocks, small lake, everything will be set up for them. There are about 15 chimps, including 4 babies in that zoo. Their babies are carried everywhere by their mothers, and they feel secure because they have similar atmosphere as in the forest, because in the forest they will have a free space, like trees, caves, rocks, lakes, everything. So here also they have made that atmosphere for the chimpanzees in such a way they do not feel that they are in some cage or anywhere, but they feel secure because they have the same atmosphere as in the forest. So we will continue from here in the next class. Let us end up here, children. You must read the lesson carefully, and also you must write these words 3 times in your classwork. Okay, children? 3 times you must write. Enjoys visiting different animals, cages, machine, swimming pool, chimpanzees, rocks, secure atmosphere. Okay, children? Thank you.